Hello again everybody, and welcome to another video from a sweltering 34 degrees in the shade at Stormpolder. Really tropical weather. Today we're featuring 12 locomotives, starting with my Roundhouse Blue Taliesin. Really thankful for the trees today, providing a bit of shade, but also the locomotives look quite nice when you go from the bright sunshine to the shade. Really brings out the paint and the bright work, I think. Okay, next up we have the Aster Battle of Britain class, Winston Churchill. Doing its thing at express speeds around our oval track. Great locomotive this. In an earlier video we demonstrated the power of this locomotive. Pulled 14 coaches if I remember rightly. I'll put a link in the description below so you can have a look at that video if you like. Oh, this was the locomotive making the racket, the howling Aster Bavarian S26, and in the end the owner decided to declare it a fail and he moved on to another locomotive. Real shame. Now, in complete opposite to the Aster in many respects is this wonderful scratch-built Dutch Tram inspiration locomotive. It runs an absolute treat. I was talking to the owner. He just put 60 millilitres of water in and 20 millilitres of alcohol in and a drop of oil, and it just goes. What a wonderful looking machine. Banks of character, this one. Okay, the next one we have the G1M Black Prince. Lovely locomotive again. Yeah, it was a hot day, but we're all busy doing our thing, enjoying our live steam engine hobby under the shade at Stormpolder. Okay, now we have a Roundhouse Lady Anne pulling a mixed goods train. If you don't know already, the Lady Anne has been produced by the Roundhouse company for years and years and years in different versions. Very reliable machine. Yeah, this green Lady Anne looking very smart on this sunny day. Okay, next we have another scratch built locomotive. Regulars to the channel will have seen this before. This is the Leaker Manifold 264 locomotive and scratch built coaches. So we're just going to follow it around for one circuit of the track.
Ja. Ik ben dit dan.
And off it goes. Okay, now we have an Accutra Mortimer. As you may pick up, it's with a Summerlands chuffer, so let's have a listen in slow motion to this locomotive. Being overtaken by the Battle of Britain cars. And the Mortimer keeps on going. Okay, next up we have my Roundhouse Russell pulling a mixed goods train. With the special paint scheme from Tom Beattie at Loco Works, it looks a treat in this dappled sunlight.
Ja, inderdaad. Oh, dat was best.
So we're switching back to gauge 1 again, and this is Aster DB62 tank engine, and this one's running a treat. Okay, the last locomotive we're featuring today is this, again, scratch built 040 narrow gauge locomotive. So I hope you've enjoyed the locomotives today, and perhaps we'll see you next time.